Hi, mahilig ka bang manood ng mga videos or reels sa Facebook mo? So this time, meron akong offer na opportunity. So this opportunity, this app rather will pay you in every videos that you have watched. So sounds crazy, right? Pero totoo yan. Totoo po yan. Nagbabayad po sila sa bawat videos na pinapanood mo. So, I will show you kung paano. So, meron tayong app na ginagamit na kung saan doon mo papanoorin lahat mga videos. At saka this app, reminder ha, disclaimer lang, this app is not, hindi po siya get rich quick, no? And lalong hindi po siya free. So, wala pong libreng kitaan dito. So, if you want to grab the opportunity, so it's really up to you kapag mag-invest ka o hindi. So, meron tayong free, meron din tayong for, kung gusto ka kikita ng malaki, pwede din yun. Okay? So, I will show you right now on how to navigate, on how to use the app in order to earn. Okay, excited ka ba? Oh, pag excited ka na, okay, sundan mo lang tong video, then, it's up to you to decide. Okay? Yung nakita nyo is loot boxes. So, bawat loot boxes, meron niyang laman na Litecoin. So, yan, 0.02 USD. Makukuha mo lang yan kapag nanood ka ng mga videos. Just like that, yung pinapakita ko, yung mga videos na yan. So, kada panood nyo, merong lalabas yan na loot boxes. Minsan din, after 2 videos, merong lalabas. So, pag click nyo yun, meron yung mga Litecoin. Ano ba yung Litecoin? Litecoin is a cryptocurrency po yan. The equivalent right now is 150 pesos yung isa. So basically, ang gagawin mo lang talaga dito is bumili ka ng mga glasses. So merong mga price yung mga bawat glasses dyan nakita nyo. So the bigger the price, the higher the return. Pero wag na muna. Papakita ko muna sa inyo kung paano mag-withdraw gamit ang GCash. At paano exchange yung Litecoins mo into GCash. So right now, yung available na payment method is GCash. Pag nakaipon ka ng Litecoins, pwede mo yan i-withdraw or convert mo into peso. So piliin mo lang yung Philippines. Then, yung amount, pwede mo lahat yan i-sell. In exchange yan, babayaran ka through GCash. So, yan. Paano bumili? So, pinapakita ko sa inyo dito yung sample, yung 30.10 USD yung binili ko. So, bawat glasses meron yung nakaakibat or equivalent time yan. So, kapag 30.9, nasa 40 minutes. 40 minutes meaning manood ka ng video, 40 minutes daily. So, kita nyo na, madali lang kumita doon. Oo, napakadali lang talagang kumita. So, all you have to do is manood ka ng mga videos. Then, I have tried this app already for almost a year. So, isang taon na din ako nag-try nito. Then, hanggang ngayon, walang paltos yung payment nila. So, ganyan po. So, it's up to you to decide whether you are a risk taker. Kung risk taker ka, go for it. If not, so, you can ask naman for free kasi meron free naman doon. So, okay, so, if you want more details about it, so just feel free to PM me or join me. I have the link below the comment section para mag-guide kita at same time ma-chat mo ako, ma-chat din kita kung ano yung mga kailangan na gawin, paano lumago yung income mo dito. So ganyan lang po kasimple. Maraming salamat at God bless po.